So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to see how to pause location on Life360. Firstly, head to settings and find the Life360 app. Turn off background app refresh, cellular data and Wi-Fi and motion fitness. If it does not show location pause, then it should show internet connection problem. Make sure you do not get connected to any Wi-Fi. Or you can try turning on airplane mode. Is a straightforward process on your smartphone. Kindly note that the turning on airplane mode will switch off your device's wireless communication such as GPS, Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. You won't be able to receive or make calls, connect to Wi-Fi networks, or use mobile data unless you disable the airplane mode. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.